In this video, we'll try to see whether sum of n numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Now let us take a look at the sum of 10 numbers, where S10 is equal to the sum of 10 numbers. Now we will again write this series in reverse. Now we have two equations and we'll add both of them up. If you observe, for each pair we get the sum as 11, and this 11 is appearing 10 times. So we can write it as 10 times 11. Now this is the sum of this series and this series. So we will divide it by 2 to get the sum of 10 numbers, which is 55. Let's generalize the solution where we will replace the numbers with variables. We'll do this for first n numbers, where Sn is the sum of n numbers. Again, we'll write this series in reverse and we will add up both of these equations. Now we will get n plus 1 as the sum of each pair, and this n plus 1 will be appearing n times. Now we will divide this n into n plus 1 by this 2, because this is the sum of this series and this series. So we should get the sum of n numbers as n into n plus 1 by 2.